Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you prepare your chili pepper and use it for stew. And because of the red color, sometimes you'll be using spices in the market, other spices to give you that red color. But in today's video, I'm going to show you that you can use your chili pepper and replace all those spices in the market. Thank you. See you in my. So, my beautiful people, this is my chili pepper. When you buy your chili pepper and you wash it, then parboil it. Remove the seed. I remove all the seed because what I need is just the color. So that's why I remove all the seed from the chili pepper. So I parboil it. So now after the parboiling, you allowed it to cold. Then this is how it looks like. It's cold now. So I have to blend it. After blending it, I'll use it for my stew. And it gives you that bright, beautiful color stew you need. Instead of using all those red things in the market, all those red spices, make your own red at home. Prepare your own chili pepper, chili powder, all those stuff at home. So this is how I'm going to do it. See you. So I'll pour it into my blender. I'll add water to it so that it will assist the blend. Then I'll blend it. Cover it very tight. This will give me a very bright color for my stew. So let's go ahead and prepare the stew. So this is actually my tomato paste. And this tomato paste is dry tomato. So when you have a dry tomato like this, the color is not that bright. You need something to brighten up. And that is the chili pepper that I've blended to brighten up the color of the tomato. I'll quickly add my oil using power oil to fry the tomato. So I allowed my oil to heat first before adding my tomato. Adding salt to it. Adding salt to it. Adding my blend onions. allowed it to steam a bit. I turn in my tomato paste. Allowed it to cook. All right, let's add salt.